In today's video, I will show you the different types of wooden flooring designs, types of materials, their benefits, and most importantly, the price in India. So you can choose according to your budget. Wooden floors instantly make the space feel cozy and stylish and high-end, just like premium hotel and designer homes. So friends, first we know what is wooden flooring. A wooden flooring is a type of floor, it's covering that due to the appearance of natural wood. It's available in real wood and it has well-known ancient wood options also available. Why people love it? Because these are warm and elegant look, comfortable underfoot, and improve home value and stylish and timeless. Solid wood floorings. This is made from the pure natural wood like teak, oak or walnut. This is a look premium and natural. Lifespan is a 20 years with care, best before for luxury homes and villas. The price in India 400 rupees per square feet, need to the polishing and maintenance. Ancient wood flooring. The ancient wood floorings look like wood but it's more stable. Its structure of real wood and top layer and plywood base. The benefits are legs expansion, more durable, good for Indian climates. The price in India 250 rupees per square feet. And laminates and wooden floorings. These are most popular and budget-friendly wooden flooring option. Made of high density and fiberboard with woods look like layer. Benefits affordable and easy installation, many designs. The price in India 80 rupees per square feet. PVC or vinyl wooden floorings. These are looks like wood but made from the plastic-based materials. Benefits are waterproof, termite-proof and good for kitchens and bedrooms. The price in India 60 rupees per square feet. Popular wooden floorings and colors: light oak, these are the modern and spacious feel. Dark walnut color, this is a royal and rich look. Grey wood color, this is a contemporary style. Natural teak, classic and Indian look. Best rooms of wooden floorings: living rooms, bedrooms, study rooms or offices. Away to the bathrooms unless waterproof and vinyl is used. Installation cost will be: labor cost is the 20 to 50 rupees per square feet. Laminated and vinyl are the faster to install than solid wood. The maintenance tips are: used to the soft mop and away to the excess water. Use floor mats. Away to the dragging furniture. So some disadvantages of wooden floorings are: can scratch, moisture damage, expect the vinyl, higher cost than the tiles. The total cost, for example, for 150 rupees 150 square feet for bedroom or living room, laminate will be 12,000 rupees the cost. Ancient wood